This is The Wonderful Cross by Chris Tomlin in the key of C. And as always, you can stop the video, click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so we have 3 simple chords in this song. I've just really stripped it down to the basics. We have C chord, F, and G. And you'll notice that the verses are pretty bare, and I'm not going to go into great detail why, but I do also think that if you just look at the words to the song, they're so powerful in and of themselves that we don't need a lot going on. So let's take a look at the chords. C chord is made up of C, E, G. Okay, then we have an F chord, F, A, C. Move up 1 note, and that is a G chord, G, B, D. Okay, so review, C chord, F chord, G chord. Okay, left hand's just going to be playing single notes with our right hand chords. So we're going to play C with our C chord, F, and G with our G in the bass. Okay, the rhythm that we can do to bring the 2 hands together is very simple. It's just a marching rhythm of together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the F chord, G chord. Okay, all right. So in the first 2 verses, I've just left them as C the whole way through. And the words are just so powerful, like I said, in and of themselves. We don't need a whole lot going on, so use that time to just really worship. But also, sometimes I think we can get in the way, if that makes sense. So this is just kind of like unlike any song I've done on our for you guys in our community. So anyway, so verse 1 and 2, like I said, you're just going to kind of go through this. When I survey the wondrous cross on which the Prince of Glory died. And you could just go through that beautiful piece. If you're singing with a congregation or with other musicians, this is a great time to just harmonize and just kind of be still, really, more than anything, instead of making it super muddy. All right, so let's go through the chorus because that's going to have a few more chord changes. So we're starting out with the F chord. Wonderful cross. Okay, sorry, I couldn't get my note there. Oh, the wonderful sea. Oh, the wonderful cross bids me come and die and find that I may truly live. Oh, the wonderful sea. Oh, the F, C. Oh, who gather here by grace draw near and bless your name. So you'll notice a pattern. If you look at the first and third line, it's going to be F, C, F, C. And then the second and fourth, we have F, C, G, F, C, G. Okay, so you notice music has a lot of patterns anyway to simplify it for you. Okay, so oh, the wonderful cross. Oh, the wonderful cross bids me come and die and find that I may truly live. Here comes that F, C, F, C. Wonderful cross. Oh, the wonderful cross. Oh, who gather here by grace draw near and bless your name. Then you can end on a C. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. I hope you love this. I forgot there is a verse 3 as well. I'm probably just going to go through one just because it can become redundant just for the case of training, doing the tutorial, but it is such a powerful song. I hope you love this one.